Once upon a time, in my not so culinary savvy kitchen, I decided to whip up some vegan cauliflower bites with a sticky Korean sauce. Sounds good. Armed with an air fryer, I felt like a modern day wizard. Just call me Chef Air Fryer. I thought as I donned my apron, ready to embark on a solo culinary adventure. I chopped the cauliflower into bite-sized florets, which quickly turned into a cauliflower battlefield across my counter. Seriously, I think I lost half of them to the great kitchen abyss. But hey, more florets meant more bites, right? Next, I mixed the sticky soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic, some ginger, some chili paste that was very hot, anything I could find to make it super, super spicy. So I whisked that, and I half expected it to start bubbling and transforming into this potion. "It's alive!" I exclaimed dramatically, feeling like a mad scientist in my kitchen. I coated the cauliflower bites in the sauce and loaded them into the air fryer basket with these lovely panko breadcrumbs, as you can see. Here's the sauce, here's the ingredients. That gochujang hot pepper paste is what really gives it its kick. So as I said, I mixed that syrupy, maple syrupy, garlicky, sticky sauce in the pan. I did that, as you can see. Then I coated the cauliflower bites into the sauce, into the white sauce, and I loaded them into this air fryer basket. I set the timer, and after I did that, I did a little victory dance until I accidentally sprayed the olive oil onto the cabinets, which I did not show you because it's a little bit embarrassing, right? But after I did that, and I slipped and slid across the counter like a runaway train, I flailed trying to catch it, but my efforts ended with a splatter that would make any cartoon character proud. Finally, the air fryer dinged, and I opened it to reveal perfectly crispy cauliflower bites. They were golden and glistening. As you shall see soon, not yet, because my narration is a bit short. However, you will see it. I think it's coming up now. So I plated them after I drizzled them with extra sauce. I put way too much sauce on it, but really, is there such thing as too much sauce? I don't think so. So you can see how golden and crispy and crunchy they are. Really, really, they turned out better than I expected. So yes, I put them back in, waited for another ding, and there we have it, the golden air fried, my masterpiece. That's what I'll call it, my masterpiece. So I plated them up on my beautiful plate that I got from the Amalfi Coast, and I actually took a bite. I couldn't even sit down first because it was so yummy, and I couldn't help but think, if this doesn't impress anyone, at least I'll be my own biggest fan. Thanks for watching, guys. Day 15. Can you believe it? Because I sure can't. Bye. Thanks for watching.